Hi everyone, today we are going to look at the solutions for our Primary 5 Mathematics CA2 2014 Paper 1. Question 1. In 6,573,204, the value of the digit 5 stands for. So we need to look at the value of the digit 5. We know that this 5 stands for 500,000. So option 4 would give me 5 times 100,000 is 500,000. So answer is 4. Question 2. Find the value of the following. 2,700 times 900. We know that 2,700 is 27 times 100. 900 is 9 times 100. What we can do is we can multiply 27 times 9. So 27 times 9, 7 times 9 is 63, 2 times 9, 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, is 243, and we know that 100 times 100 will give me 1000. So I add 40, and my answer will be option number 4, 2,430,000. So option number 4. Express 64,720 gram in kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 gram. So to convert gram to kilogram, we need to divide by 1,000. So 64,720 gram, you need to divide by 1,000. We move the decimal place 3 decimal place to the left, and my answer will be 64.72 kilogram, which is option number 3. Question 4. The mass of box A is 16 kilogram. The total mass of box B, C and D is 60 kilogram. So I know box A is 16 kilogram. The mass of boxes B plus C plus D is 60 kilogram. So the total mass of A plus B plus C plus D would be 60 plus 16, which is 76 kilogram. So I want to find the average mass of the 4 boxes. So average of the 4 boxes should be 76 divided by 4, and my answer will be 19 kilogram, which is option number 1. Question number 5. Find the value of 3/5 minus 1/10. So when we add or subtract a fraction, we make sure that our denominator are the same. So 3/5 minus 1/10. To make the denominator the same, the 3/5, I need to make the denominator to 10. 5 times 2 is 10, so 3 times 2 is 6. So 610 minus 110, which is 510. Simplest form is half. So option number 4 is my answer. Question 6. 72 is to 48 equals to what is to 6? So I want to find the missing number in the box. 48 to 6, we know we can times 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. So how many times 8 will give me 72? Answer is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. So option 3 is our answer. Question 7. There are 36 boys in an art club. There are 15 more boys than girls. What is the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls? So I know boys, we have 38. Our girls, there are 15 more boys than girls. So girls, fewer than 38. 15 is here. So to find the number of girls, we take 38 minus 15. Answer is 23. So I want to find the ratio of boys is to girls. Boys is 38 The girls is 23. So answer is option number 2. Question 8. What is the sum of 7 tenths and 70,000? Sum means I want to find the total. So I add 7 tenths. To help us see this, what we can do is we can draw our timeline. 7 tenths is 0.7. My tenths place. This is my decimal. This is my ones, tenths, hundreds. After the decimal place, this is my tenth, my hundredth, and my thousands, 50 each. So 7 tenths is 7, so it's 0.7. 70,000. So 70,000, 0 is at the thousands place, 7 will be at the hundreds place. So what we need to do is we have to add them up. So my answer is 0.77, which is option number 2. Which of the following decimals are arranged in ascending order? What is ascending order? Means from small to big. So we look at this, which is the smallest. 0.012, 0. Let's look at our place value. 0.012. The next number is 0.12, 0.21, 0.102. So which is the smallest? Ascending, which is from small to big, the smallest would be this one, 0.012. Come next would be we look at the 1. Okay, we have 1. The next one is, so these two we need to compare these two, 0.12 and 0.102. We know that 0.102 is smaller than 0.12. So this will be the next one. Now we compare 0.12 to 0.21. We know that 0.12 will be the next smallest and 0.21 would be the greatest. So let's look at our option. 0.012 is number 1. 0.102 is number 2. 0.12. So option 2 is my answer. Question number 10. Find the difference between 6,050 milliliters and 3.74 liters. So find difference. We know we must minus. So let's now look at our units. This is in milliliters, this is in liters. So first we need to change this to liters. 3.74 liters. To change to milliliters, you must multiply by 1,000. Because 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters. So now I move my decimal points. 1, 2, 3 is 3,740 milliliters. I want to find the difference. I take 6,050 minus 3,740. 5 minus 4. 5 tenths minus 4 tenths is 1/10. So this is 5, 3, 2. 2,310 milliliters. So option number 1. Question 11. In a figure not drawn to scale, STU is an isosceles triangle. Means this two is equal. Identify the base of the triangle given the height WT. This is WT. This is the height. Okay, to find the base, we know that it must be perpendicular to the height. So we look at right angle and we know that SU is perpendicular to WT. So answer is option number 2. The average of 5 numbers is 24. The average of 4 of the numbers is 21. Find the 5th number. So average of 5 numbers is 24. Next, I need to find the total of 5 numbers. So I take 24 times 5. Answer is 120. Then I find the average of 4 numbers is 21. So the total of 4 numbers will be 21 times 4. Answer is 82. Find the 5th number. So the 5th number will be 120 minus 82. And the answer is 30. Did I make a mistake? This is 84, sorry. So 30. Okay, I'm so sorry for the mistake. 21 times 4 is 84, so 120 minus 84, and the answer would be 36. Answer is 36. Option number 2. Question 13. Thomas ran 2.269 km while Kenneth ran 0.69 km. How much further did Thomas run than Kenneth? So they are running. I want to find further. Okay, so what do? I take 2.269. Thomas ran further than Kenneth. So we take 2.269 minus 0.69. 1.579. How much further did Thomas run than Kenneth? Is 1 kilometer 579 meter. So option number 1 is the answer. Question 14. 10 cones are placed apart in a row at an equal distance. The first cone is 360 meter away from the 10th cone. How far apart is one cone? The first cone and the 5th cone. So there are 10 cones. Cone 1, this is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 cones here. So how many gaps do we see? We see 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, 5 gap, 6 gap, 7 gap, 8 gap, 9 gap. So I take 360 divided by the 9 gaps. I will get 40. So we know that the distance between each cone is 40 meter. I want to find the first cone and the 5th cone. So first, second, third, fourth, 5th. So this is my 5th cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 4 gaps. So 40 times 4, answer will be 160 meter. Option number 2. The ratio of the number of cars to the number of motorcycles in a car park is 4:1. After 18 cars left, the ratio became 5:2. So we look at the ratio. We have cars is to motorcycle. So at first is 4:1. This is at first. After 18 cars left, we know 18 cars left will be minus 18. The ratio became 5:2. Okay, we realize that our motorcycles did not change. So because our motorcycles did not change, we need to make the motorcycles the same. So I multiply by 2. At first I have 8 unit, motorcycles 2 unit. Okay, at the end, motorcycles did not change, remain at 2 unit, but the cars became 5 unit. So 8 minus 3 unit will give me 5 unit. So I know my 3 unit is my 18 cars which left. Therefore 1 unit will be my 18 divided by 3, which is 6. I want to find how many cars were there at first. So now I look at first, I have 8 unit. So 8 unit will be 8 times 6, which is 48. So option 3 is my answer. Question 16. Find the value of 25 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 3 times 7. Okay, remember our 4 operations, we need to do the bracket first. So 3 times 7 will give me 21. So 25 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 21. The next one we need to do is our divide. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 25 plus 3 minus 21. We bring down all the numbers. So 25 plus 3 will be 28 minus 21. 28 minus 21, the answer is 7. Question 27. A wholesaler receives a shipment of 7,718 mobile phone covers. He has to repack them into boxes with 9 covers in each box. What is the minimum number of boxes he needs to pack all the mobile phones? Now, let's make our numbers simpler. If I have 77 mobile phones, 77 covers, I want to pack each in one box. In one box, I need to pack 9 covers. So how many covers would I need for, how many boxes would I need for 77 covers? So I know that 9 times 8 is 72. Right? But can I use 8 boxes? No, because I have a remainder of 5. So this 5 has to go to another box. So altogether I would need 8 plus 1, 9 boxes to pack all my 77 covers. So now let's look at the question now. 7,718 I need to divide by 9. So 7718 divide by 9. 8 times 9, 72. I will get 51. That will be my 5 times 9, 45. 51 minus 45, I will get 68. 7 times 9, 68, 63. I have 5 remainder covers. So all together, I have remainder 5. So this will be my boxes. Remainder will need one more box. So 857 plus 1. Altogether, I need 858 boxes. Question 18. 3/8 of a number is 21. So help us to look at this. We know that 3/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3/8 of the number is 21. So I know 3 unit is my 21. I want to find the number. This is my number. The number is 8 unit. So 3 unit is 21. 1 unit will be 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Therefore, my 8 unit will be 7 times 8 is 56. Express 8 and 57 as a decimal. So first, I need to change 8 and 57 to mixed, from this mixed number to improper fraction. So 8 times 7 is 56 plus 5, 61 divided by 7. Express, round off your answer to 2 decimal place. So 61 divided by 7 will be 8 times 7, 56. 5. I bring down the 0. 7 times 7 is 49. 1 times 7 is 7, which is 4, sorry, 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. I bring down another 0. 3 times 7, 4 times 7 is 28. Remainder 2. So I have 8.714 to 3 decimal place, 2 decimal place is 8.71. Alternatively, I know that 8 and 5, 7, this is 8 whole. So 8.57, then I divide. 5 divided by 7. 0 times 7 is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 7, 28. So I have this. So I would get 8.714. Again, my answer would be 8.71 to 2 decimal place. So this is another method that we are looking at. If not, we have to change the mixed number to improper fraction and then you divide. Question 20. What is the area of the triangle below? Formula for finding area is half times base times height. So to identify our base and height, we look at a right angle. So this is a right angle, so this will be my base, this will be my height. So it's half times 7 times 28. We can cross multiply 28 and 7 and 2, sorry. So the answer is 14. So it's 14 times 7. 4 times 7, 28. 1 times 7, 7. Answer is 98 cm square. Question 21. Perry and Joy donated a sum of money to charity in a ratio 8:5. So Perry is to Joy is 8:5. Perry donated 24 more than Joy. So Perry is 8 unit, Joy is 5 unit. So 3 unit would be my 24. Therefore 1 unit is 24 divided by 3 would be 8. What is the total amount they donated? Total amount is 13 unit. So find 13 unit will be 13 times 8. 3 times 8, 24. 13 times 8. 24, 1 times 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So $104. Ida made 3/4 liter of lemonade. Her brother drank 2/3 of the lemonade. Of this 3/4. So it's 2/3 times 3/4. That is the brother. At first you have 3/4 liter. The brother drank 2/3 times 3/4. Left will be 1/3 times 3/4. So its answer is 1/4 liter. So the brother actually drank 2/4 liter. You see that 2/4 plus 1/4, answer is 3/4. Alright, so how much liters of lemonade were left? It is 1/4 liter. 23. Express 4/5 meter in centimeter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Therefore 4/5 meter is 4/5 times the 100 centimeter. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 4 times 20 will be 80 centimeter. Find the value of 0.93 times 20. 0.937 times 20 is 0.937 times 2 times 10. So I times 2 first. 0.937 times 2. 7 times 2, 14. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 9 times 2 is 18. So it's 1.874 times 10. You move 1 decimal place. Answer is 18.74. Question 25. 4 identical cubes weigh 7.6 kg. 5 identical metal ball weighs 6.5 kg. What is the total mass of 1 cube and 1 metal ball? So 4 cubes, 7.6 kg. 1 cube, 7.6 divided by 4. The answer is 1.9 kg. How about 5 metal balls? 5 metal balls weighs 6.5 kg. So 1 metal ball will weigh 6.5 divided by 5. 1 times 5, 5. 3 times 5, 15. So it's 1.3 kg. I want to find the total mass of 1 cube and 1 metal ball. 1 cube and 1 metal ball. So 1.9 kg plus 1.3 kg. The answer will be 3.2 kg. 26. Jackie jogged 1/5 km and Tammy jogged 1/4 km more than her. So I know that Jackie, help us see this, we draw model. Tammy jogged more than her. So 1/5 kg. Tammy jogged 1/4 kilometer more than her. How much did both of them jog together? So Tammy is 1/5 plus 1/4. So total will be 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/4. When I add, I make sure that my denominators is the same. So it is times 4. This one times 5. So 420 plus 420 plus 520. Answer is 13 out of 20 kilometer. Janelle is 12 kilogram lighter than Mary Ann and 46 kilogram lighter than Ariel. So help us to understand this. We can draw our model. So Janelle is lighter than Mary Ann. $12 kilogram. 12 kilogram lighter than Mary Ann. Okay, write properly. 12 kilogram lighter than Mary Ann. Oh, I'm sorry. I mistake. Let's redraw this again. Janelle is lighter than Mary Ann. So Mary Ann is heavier by 12 kilogram. And 46 kilogram lighter than Ariel. So Janelle and Ariel must be lighter. So Ariel is heavier. $46 kilogram. Heavier than Janelle. Mary Ann is 40. So I know this is 40. Express the mass of Janelle as a fraction of Ariel. So I know Janelle would be 40 minus 12. Answer is 38. So this is 38. This is 12. I want Ariel. Ariel is 38 plus 46. Which is 38 plus 46. I'm sorry. Mistake here. 40 minus 12 is 28. 28 plus 12 is 40. So Janelle is 28. Ariel will be 28 plus 46 is equals to 74 kilogram. Express the mass of Janelle to Ariel is 28 is to 74. This is in ratio. I want a fraction, so it's 28 out of 74 or 14 out of 37. Katie bought some plates at an average price of $6. She bought another 2 plates for $18 each. The average price will be $8. Find the total number of plates. Okay, let's understand by helping us to draw. The average of the number of plates, okay, would be $6. So average is 6. But we do not know how many plates. Katie bought 2 more plates, okay, for $18. So I have 2 plates. 1 plate, 2 plates. Each plate is 18. So we know the total cost of the plate will be 36. 18 times 2 is 36. The average would be $8. So I know the average now. The average has increased to $8. Okay, so now this is a difference of $2. So now I need to take 18 times 2, which is the total cost of the 2 plates, which is $36. Okay, and I take 36, I must minus the average of these 2. So minus 16, which is 20. This $20 is now the rest of this money, which is 10 here and 10 here, is now redistributed into the other plates. So I take 20, and each plate we know we have to add in $2. So divide by 2, answer is 10 plates. So the total number of plates she bought will be 10 plates. Okay, now let's check to see our answer. So I have 10 times average of $6, which is $60. So $60 for the 10 plates. She added 2 more plates, which is $36. Answer is $96. So $96 I divide by 12, I would get $8. So the average is $8 for the 12 plates, $10 for the 6 plates. $29. Anderson, Lulu, and Chanel shared some sweets in the ratio 7:4:5. After Lulu gave half her sweets to Chanel, Lulu gave half. 4 units, you gave half, so you minus 2 units. Chanel will have added 2 units. Now Chanel had 28 sweets all together. So this is 7 units. This is 2 units. This is 7 units. So we know that Chanel has 28 sweets. So 7 units is your 28 sweets. 1 unit will be 28 divided by 7, which is 4 sweets. How many sweets did Anderson and Lulu have? So Anderson is 7 units. Lulu is 2 units. So 7 units plus 2 units will be 9 units. So 9 times 4, which is 36 sweets. Last question, 30. A pen costs 4 times as much as a book. So I know a pen and a book. Pen is 4 units. Book is 1 unit. A file costs 1/4 as much as the book. So my file is 1/4, 1 unit. My book is 4 unit. Okay, now another way to represent this, we can use our ratio method. Okay, so A pen is to book. My pen is to my book is 4:1. File is 1 unit and book is 4 unit. So file is 1 unit, book is 4 unit. Okay, my book must be the same, so I multiply by 4. So now I have 16 pen, 4 unit of book and 1 unit of file. So and if I relate this back, 1 unit of file, 4 units of book, each this would be my 16 unit. 2 such files and a book cost $18. So I have 2 files, so 2 unit plus a book, which is 4 unit, is $18. So 6 unit is my $18. Therefore 1 unit is $3. 18 divided by 6, which is $3. Find the cost of the pen. The pen is 16 unit. So 3 times 16, the answer is $48. Thank you, children. Goodbye.